have an envelope. It's brown. Nice.
This is too cheesy.
Oh. Garage 419 Challenge. Your challenge today is to blatantly rip off British car show Top Gear. That shouldn't be a problem. We've been doing that for months. Oh, easy. You will race from the office in New York to the Ulysses S. Grant Memorial in Washington, D.C. How far is that? A couple hours? Whatever. 4 hours? All right. Matt, you'll be driving the Dodge Challenger SRT8. JF, you'll be flying on the Washington Shuttle. Tom, you'll be riding the rails on Amtrak. Local, I assume.
Nice.
Because they are definitely not paying for Acela. JF and Tom, you may not use any form of car on your journey. That means no cabs and no rental. Matt, you must complete the trip on a single tank of gas. That might be enough or not. You can top off the Challenger's fuel tank before leaving Manhattan. Okay, that sounds straightforward enough, right?
Sounds like a trip.
Sounds like a trip. All right, well, ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Not really, but.
Well, we don't have a choice. We're here already. It's cold. Go.
All right. Well.
Buck up, man. Good luck. When this light turns green, I'm going to show you this car does one thing very well.
Ah, Starbucks. How convenient. Isn't it?
This could be the greatest car on earth, and I wouldn't buy it because that stupid nav system is such a piece of shit.
Now keep riding.
God, you suck. How hard could it be to You don't know U.S. means United States? I have to type out United States? Distance to destination, 212 miles. Distance to empty, 212 miles. I hope there's a gas station at the Capitol. New Jersey Turnpike is the highway that this car is meant for. It's like you get in and sit there, and then you just go straight. You don't even have to have your hands on the wheel to drive on the New Jersey Turnpike. And I'm not even sure we're driving. I feel like I'm sailing because this is not a car. This is a yacht. This car, as a sports car, is an absolute epic failure. As a luxury car, though, it's not bad. Unfortunately, it's the stick shift that is the problem. And I never, ever say this. This car should have an automatic and not a stick shift. And I'll tell you why. It's because when you're in an automatic with seats that feel like this and a low-revving, lumbering V8 engine and a suspension that is like, you're like, okay, American freaking luxury car. But then you put a stick shift in it, and it's like, oh, I can do this? Oh, I must be in a sports car. And then you're not. You drive it and you're not in a sports car. You're in a luxury car, then you shift yourself.
Still waiting in Penn Station, waiting for the train to leave, 9:05. It's about 9 o'clock, so 5 minutes to go. Checking on the status of my competitors. We're using Google Latitude to follow where we're going, as you can see here. JF is at Jamaica Station in Queens, waiting to get on the train, and Matt Farah, he's already down by Edison, New Jersey.
Flight's 4769. 47 to Washington, D.C. 4769. 31A. 31A. I made it. That's my plane.
Okay, so that means he's going to be traveling to DC at about 300 miles an hour, right? I'm going 85. Okay, I'm going to have to kick it up a notch. Let's check my Google Latitudes and find out where they are. If you guys don't know what Google Latitudes is, you have to check it out. We've got real-time friend tracking via BlackBerry. So, location A, John Francis Musial, JFK Airport, New York. We just found out he made his plane, that's good. Tom Albrecht, Trenton, New Jersey, and me, just says New Jersey. Middle of nowhere, New Jersey. I am in the lead. I have about a 40-mile jump on either of those guys. Do the 60 time and go. Google Latitudes is indicating that Tom is in Philly and JF is still in New York. I have more than half a tank of gas left and 77 miles to go. It's a lock. It's a lock. It's obvious. This drive with 95, the world's most boring and straight highway between New York and Washington. Driving. Why would you not drive? This is the most obvious fast way. I don't understand. I'm going 80 miles an hour, not passing anybody. Well, that or passing everybody, whichever way you want to look at it. And there's just, I'm state. We're not even the same state. I'm in Maryland. We've got one in Pennsylvania and one still in New York. It's a lock. It's done. It's over. is going to be a very, very close race. JF got a call, is already off the plane and is on mass transit on a way to the Capitol. I am in average midday traffic on the Baltimore-Washington Parkway, and I'm forced to slow down because my camera car is not driving as fast as I am.
Metro. There we go. Metro.
Doors opening. Step back.
JF is less than 2 miles from where I am. Tom's still in Baltimore, proving that Amtrak does actually suck.
This is close.
Donnie, when we get off this exit, make sure you're like right behind me, okay? Attacking!
This is close. This is very, very close.
If JF is there first, I'm gonna punch him in the face. I'm gonna run over his camera with my yacht.
Hey, which way's the Capitol?
Keep going.
Which way?
Yeah, that way.
That way? Alright, thank you.
Oh, these are cute houses.
And then turn left again. Take the next turn left, and then immediately take the second turn right. Now turn left.
Thank you, Nav.
This is Capitol.
Turn left
Where am I
again.
going?
Take the next
Where
turn
am
left,
I going?
and then immediately take the second turn right. Now turn
Yo, bro!
left. Take the second turn
Where's
right.
the Ulysses S. Grant Monument? The Grant Monument, you know what that is? Sorry. Where's the Ulysses S. Grant Monument? Thank you. I know, thank you. You know where the Ulysses S. Grant Monument is? Ulysses S. Grant Monument? What? I'm parked over there.
Holy shit.
It certainly appears they're not here.
There it is. I don't see them. Hold on.
Oh, look, JF's running. Look, there he is. He's running. He's running, but we're already here. There he is. Oh, all that effort, and he lost. Dude, I've been here for like an hour and a half.
You're such a liar.
I set my Google latitudes here.
You're such a liar.
I won though.
You're such a liar.
I won.
I saw you on the Beltway.
You saw me on the Beltway.
You're on the Beltway 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, and I'm here now, before you. That's what's important, right? Who's here first? Not who's out of breath and tired because they had to take public transportation. I'm relaxed and I'm cool because I sat my ass down in an Alcantara covered chair for 3 hours. And I got here before you. That's right. And look, of the two of us, who has fans here? I do.
How long did it take? Seriously.
I don't know. I beat you here. That's all I
When
care
did you
about.
get here?
Like 5 minutes ago. Well, I got here 15 minutes ago, but look at this. The writing, it's white on white. How are you supposed to know that the guy on the horse, the directions should have said, meet at the guy on the horse. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Third place.
Dude,
What do you mean?
we just got.
I was there, and now we're here.
I got here 10 minutes ago. He got here 5 minutes before I did.
at the same time, I would have won.
What do you mean if you
Not
left?
you, him.
What do you mean?
You had an hour head start.
I had an hour head start.
8 o'clock.
Start.
You left at
Well,
8.
yes,
I left at
it's-
9:05.
I didn't buy your train ticket. How is that my problem?
Fuck you all.
How is that? Next time, buy a train ticket at the proper time.
I'm gonna get the Acela train.
Was there not an earlier train you
No.
could have taken?
8:05.
But he wouldn't have made it in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
He would not have made it in 5 minutes.
See?
Well,
This is pretty good though.
so we can conclude here, as I get a text message, that driving, not surprisingly, is the best way.